Michael,
What?
what's going on?
People are starting to email me.
And what? And what's the issue?
Well, people want me to send them free t-shirts.
No, but they want to sell you cars? What's the biggest issue?
Holy
Guys, Mike, that email was for him selling cars, not for selling him cars.
Yes, that's right.
So,
Do not send me, okay, I didn't say do not send. Try not to send, I don't need any. Maybe once I've sold 10 or 15, I might have room in the yard for a couple, but right now we can't even get into my shop. My Chevelle can't even get out. It's landlocked. Anyway, do not send me pictures of cars for sale, please.
unless
Unless it's a
really good deal.
no, anyway. Okay, thanks guys.
No, let's show them outside again what's going on, like how busy it is, how full it is. Let's go.
Okay, we'll go and do it. I'm feeding my dog.
No, Michael.
We're going for dinner. Come on, guys.
We'll do it after. It's not
Yes,
live. It's
yes,
not
we'll
live.
do it after. Okay.
No, we'll just...
Come on, Link. Yeah.
I like your shirt, Michael.
Me too. Gonna out Blair.
All right, our
Come on,
dinner.
Link. Hey, where's the keys?
We're going to Cadillac Tammy's
Yes, Cadillac Ted and Tammy's.
for dinner.
The gourmet feast. I had to put on my stretchy pants. Here, I'll show you guys why we don't need any more cars. Oh.
As a reminder.
I mean, we have this one we're building. 70 Chevelle, 516 horse. We have my Chevelle, 510 horse. We have the 68 Roadrunner big block sports satellite clone
That's
taking up room. We've got
the frame
we have the frame for this one.
over there.
And then we have the others. No, Lincoln, go eat. Lincoln, go eat your breakfast. You stay. Stay.
Such a mean dog owner.
And then, I mean, do I have room for any more cars, guys? I can barely get in and out of my shop. Okay, let's go for din-dins.
Okay, so again, that email.
Is to ask about cars I'm selling, not about trying to sell me cars.
However, if it's a really good deal, he might be interested.
Somebody else might need it more than me. Anyway.
Unicorn cars that Mike is looking for are the Mercedes.
Oh yeah, I'd like a 300 SL.
Like this, like the '60s one, right? The Gullwing we were talking about at RM.
Older. Like early 60s, late 50s. I mean, they're worth way too much money.
Yes.
Anyway, but what I'd really like is my son to come and get his boat. Get that boat out of my shop. Okay.
Okay, let's go to Tammy and Ted's.
Yes.
Again, not for selling Mike cars, for Mike to sell cars.
Anyway, remember, guys, I try not to sell cars without people coming. If you don't like my prices, show up with a wad of cash and come and look, right? You can keyboard warrior me all you want. Money talks, walks. That's a simple thing it is with used cars. I can always lower my price, but I cannot raise it. So anyway, remember, those that have should give peace, love, and joy. But that doesn't mean I should give you cars.
I get to experience a little drive with Mike in its full glory at sunset in Rust Valley.
This is my carbon offset car. Drive the Chevelle for a while, then to offset the carbon footprint, we drive the Firefly for a while.
And this is our soda water, and that's for Ted. We do not
Yes.
drink. We
No.
do not drink.
So it averages out to about 20 miles to the gallon.
Oh, between this and the Chevelle?
40 for this and 10 for the Chevelle.
I like that shirt. Where'd you get that from?
I think my sister gave me this. I don't remember.
That's awesome.
It is. It's a little bright for me, but you know, can't always be like Johnny Cash, Man in Black.
That's right. Try to change it up.
Gotta live a little. Ka-chang, ka-chang. I should have brought a jacket, but I'm sure there'll be enough BTUs burning from dinner that should be able to make it home without freezing.
You can go if you want. No, you can't. No, you can't.
No, you can't. Matt, are you trying to die? You want to die young? You have young children, remember that. Now we'll wait.
There's
I washed my hands and they're still dirty.
There's Vance's yard. Got some
Yes.
nice cars there.
Yes. Okay, are we good
Red
to
on
go?
your hands?
I washed them, but they still don't look clean.
Let me see.
Would not pass inspection.
Beautiful evening in the shoe shop.
Yes, it is. Red light, Clyde. Oh, you dirty bastards. Tell me they're not going to keep us 20 minutes.
You should have got that one. They just want to check out your car, I think, Mike.
I think so. We left early, only to be thwarted.
It's the best of
No,
intentions.
I think they're just letting that dump truck go, right?
Yes.
If so, in about 10 seconds, it should be going up.
Did they
9,
put a warning sign in the back?
7. Say, look at that. Perfect timing.
What's that?
They're working around the clock, 2 shifts. So they work 20 hours a day, I think 2 10s. I think they work 4 till 6, and then, I don't know, 8 till 6 or something. Or 6 till 4, I don't know. There's 2 shifts, day shift and night shift. Wow, they're digging this down, grading it. There'll be an overpass, underpass. Should look at the plans again, so I wrap my head around the full intricacies. They pounded all those pilings in, though.
Yeah.
Those things are 30, 40 feet in the air.
Yeah, at least.
I know they were all marked woodwoods. Pounded them right to the ground.
All right, that's enough, yeah?
Yes.